What's up, everybody? Yeah, so my name is Alice. If you are new here, you are so much welcome. Yeah, so guys, in today's video, I'm trying to transform my sitting room and to see if not like transform, but just making changes. Nione vile itakaa. Yeah, so I decided to do this with you. Maybe you can grab an idea. Let me tell you guys, I'm one person whom if I'm like nikiwa kwa nyumba, I get so tired of the setting of the house. So I really enjoy my house if I keep changing. Kama kiti imekuwa hii side, I change it, I put it here. I always want to know nikitoa hivi, I put it this side, itakuwaje? Yeah, so but if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like, leave a comment and tell us where are you watching from. Yes, so without any further ado, let me show you the before and then I'm going to show you the after. But if it doesn't really work out, sijui kama nitawaonyesha the entire process. I'll just have to put back things the way they are. Yeah, but fingers crossed, I hope itakuwa sawa. Let me show you guys. So guys, this is my part. This is the setting of the TV EV. I had to put a wallpaper here, and this is the window. This is the other part of the seat. Let me tell you, this seat has cushions. One of them are here. We have this here, but they are hard. So mostly when I'm seated, I don't put them on the seat. Yeah, and this part is for my baby, but well, it's so messy. Yes, and then here. So what I want to do, I want to get this seat here to this side. I put the TV this side. Then later on, if it's working okay, if it's okay with me, nikikuona the seat is fitting vizuri this side, I'll have to get it's called what? Another wallpaper on this end. Yeah, so the other thing is okay, for those who are seeing the mattress here, this mattress is for my girl, Auntie JJ, but I told her we shouldn't remove it here because my baby is kwa hiyo stage. He's trying to learn how to stand up on his own, so most probably and he falls. So I told my girl not to remove the mattress because yeah, the baby was falling, analia, he falls to the ground, analia. That is why this mattress is here. But today I'm going to remove it, then tuone. Sijui kama sahi he's amekuwa bold enough. I want to see kama when we remove it, kama he will still fall again. Yeah, so that I had to put my chair, this table here. So this is the before. Mr. Judges, msinijaji hapa. Wo, nyumba inakaa funny. Wo, nyumba inakaa hivi. Wo, please do not. Thank you. So guys, this is more like the final reveal. At least right now I can be able to see my doormat just right there. And then this is my curtain for close to the door. And then just right here, up here, there are writings. These are 3 of them, the flames. And then this wall is empty at the moment. Remember, this is where the seat has been. Yeah, it's very empty, so I'm planning to get another wallpaper and I put it there. I hate empty walls just right at the TV stand. Yes, so coming in the corner, I have been having this chair at the extreme end of the corner, but now I brought it this other side, close here. So just right in the corner is my fridge and my microwave. Yes, and I how do you find this? Just leave a comment and tell me if the chair was looking better this side, or actually the TV stand looks much more better this side. And just coming here, it's this other chair. So this is more like my baby's, where I keep my baby stuff, his bottles, his water, lotion, syrup, more like the things we use most every day. Some of his stuff that we use almost every day. And yes, that's my ring light, that's my flame. I wanted to put this up, but I haven't gotten time to do that. I don't know, but personally I feel this space looks much more better and beautiful as compared to how things have been previously. But leave a comment and tell me how does it look for you, because remember the before, the chair has been this side and the TV stand was this side. So now let me show you this other side. Wow, this looks beautiful. This looks beautiful. How do you see that, guys? So apparently this is where my chair is, my 3-seater. That's my wall. Now this is where the TV stand has been, and yeah, the TV stand and the TV, they have been this other side, but apparently they are this. So when you get to the house, you're not blocked by the chair. You'll get in freely, yeah, and go sit. And then also, let me tell you guys, the other thing I loved about the chair being this side is that previously the chair has been this side, so people have been, when you get a visitor, they focus so much on the other side. Yeah, the other side of the kitchen. But right now, someone comes, sits, and then they focus on the TV. Yeah. So tell me, guys, how is my small changes? Do you love it? Is it a yes or it is a no? Guys, I'm waiting for your feedback in the comment section. I'm waiting for your feedback in the comment section. Yeah, so that was it for this video, and see you.
Say what you wanna say to me now.